Hi guys, this is Jatin and today I have this Lenovo laptop here with me. Now the problem with this device is the charging connector. You can see this connector and this is the charger you can see here. So let's try to fix this. Yeah, the battery is really huge. Okay. And here is the battery. So this is the battery. We have removed the battery. Now we need to unscrew all these little things. So let's do this one by one. Okay, there's one missing. I think someone has already tried his hands on this device, but with no luck, because the screws are not placed in a good manner. The locks have been broken. Okay, here's one more. And another one. Right, so let's see if any of the screws are remaining. No. Alright, all the screws have been removed outside like this, and the cover will be removed, and you can see this is the hard disk over there, this is the RAM, this is the Wi-Fi, and this is the cooling fan of the CPU. Now we have some more screws that we need to remove. This is the hard drive screw that we need to remove. Not the hard drive, sorry, the CD drive screw. So removed. You can also remove the hard disk. Right, so this is the hard disk right here. You can put it somewhere here, and this is the CD drive, which will just come out easily. Just need to remove the screw, and we have some couple of more screws. I think these are related to the keypad, so if you want to remove the keypad, you can remove these screws. And right now what we need to do is we need to take this cover out of the body of this device. So make sure that you unscrew every single thing that you see here, because sometimes you will also find screws under the keypad or the keyboard. So let's see if we have anything else here. Yep, we have one screw over here. And this is also related to keyboard. You can see that this is the keyboard. I think so. You can see I have taken out this motherboard and the trackpad, and these are the three flex cables that you will need to remove very carefully: the power button, the keyboard, and the trackpad. So this is the entire keyboard that you can see. This is the keyboard. So this is the place where the charging port is connected, and you can see these wires, four wires just came out of that charging port. So we need to find a way to fix the charging port back into this location so that it can start working again. So this is the entire power cable that you can see, and this is the motherboard. So the good part is you don't need to take out the motherboard to repair the charging connector, or you can, if you can fix it, do this. If you cannot fix it, just buy a new one from the market and just put it here, connect these cables, and then you are done. This is the charging port, you can see it right here, and this is the cable. So I'll put it back here, I'll solder these wires back into their original position, and then this is the entire way, or you can say the entire bus of charging, and then we'll check whether it is charging or not. If it's charging, then we'll just put this keyboard back in its place, and ta-da, you're done. So guys, we have fixed this charging port and we have soldered these. There are 5 wires, 2 red, 2 black, and a white wire. I'll show the diagram in a few seconds, and this is the way you need to connect or solder these wires back again to this port. And when I connect the charger, you can see this is the charger, right? And ta-da, you can see this blinking LED which confirms that your motherboard is receiving the power and your battery is being charged. So we're gonna fix this keyboard cover back on the top, screw everything, and then we will turn this device on. So guys, whenever you are having any problem with Lenovo G50 -80, this is the model, and this is the charging connector cable. So you can either replace it or you can just simply repair it by soldering all the 5 wires back into the ports. Refer to the diagram that I'm sharing.